welcome to Cindy Sisters. Today we're starting a new series called Cookmas.
And we're going to be cooking for the first 12 days of December. We're going to be doing cooking videos and one challenge video.
Yeah.
And then after Christmas, we'll be uploading our Christmas vlog.
The ingredients you'll need is some icing sugar, vanilla extract, thickened cream,
some strawberries chopped up small. You'll also be needing a glass to put your trifle in, and we're just using this one here. You'll also be needing some brownies and also a electric beater to mix your cream. And make sure, guys, if you're some of our younger viewers, please get your parents' permission or help to do this because it is very sharp and dangerous.
Ready?
So let's get started. Okay guys, so now we're going to whip our cream, and I've got the Bulla thickened cream, by the way not sponsored, wish we were, and then we've got a 600ml one, but you probably don't need all of it, but we are going to use the whipped cream for something else that we're cooking later, so just going to use the whole thing, but you probably want to use half depending on how many you're going to make. Then you'll be needing a few tablespoons of icing sugar. And then with this, we kind of always eyeball it to maybe go to 3 to 4 tablespoons, or maybe like half a cup, if you want to be precise. Just gonna do a few. Probably do that for now. And then probably, yeah, because as I said before, I kind of eyeball when I whip cream. So probably maybe half a teaspoon to a full teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Just do a little bit more. Probably about that much. And now you want to beat it until it's kind of thick, but make sure you don't curd it. So once I finish beating, I'll show you the consistency.
This is the consistency that you want, that it makes little peaks. Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to do is put it all together. So we've got our cream, strawberries, cups, brownies, and spoons. So now we're just going to fill up our...
Choose your weapon.
Let's put it in the middle so people can see what our stuff is. Okay guys, so we're going to start it off with some cream. Gonna place our brownie in
like so,
and then we're gonna add some more with this
cream.
And then we're gonna add another brownie. Oops, do they have any more big ones?
Oh, you can have this one.
Oh, it's okay, I'll just keep two.
Then you want to add your brownie again.
And then one last thing of cream.
Then you want to move your cream out of the way, and then get your strawberries, and if you can kind of see, just chopped it up.
Yes.
Really finely.
Then we can just drizzle
on some strawberries, just to add a bit of healthiness to
Even
it.
though this thing is not healthy whatsoever. So you never think.
Then, to add another unhealthy thing, we're gonna get some chopped chips and add it on the top. Okay guys, so this is our final product. It's so cute and looks very delicious. Can't wait to dig in. And guys, with this, please make it your own. You don't have to copy exactly what we've done because we actually got inspiration from Pinterest, so we kind of changed it to make it our own. And yes, I hope you enjoy this recipe. And comment down below if you decide to make this for Christmas or any time in the year.
So now we're going to taste test it.
Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, it's a bit hot. Didn't get any brownie.
Same.
Very good. I'm gonna try and get some brownie. It's a bit fudgy, this. Oh, there we go.
Guys, I'd recommend if you make this, our brownies were like extremely fudgy, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, so probably get
like
one.
classic brownies. So you probably want a bit more squishier. Like, don't cook them for as long, if you know what I mean. Like, still cook them, but like not fudge cook them.
Yeah, maybe, yeah, because we did the Donna Hay ones, and I think it was like fudge.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure thumbs up this video, subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post. Comment down below if you have any video requests and we will see you guys next time. Bye!